Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to match all numbers. We've learned shortcuts for common string patterns like alphanumerics. Another common pattern is looking for just digits or numbers. The shortcut to look for digit characters is /d with a lowercase d. This is equal to the character class O through 9, which looks for a single character of any number between 0 and 9. Use the shorthand character /d to count how many digits are in the movie title. Written out numbers 6 instead of 6 do not count. Okay, cool. So it just wants us to find the numbers, and it gives us the shorthand, which is the /d. Let's console.log the result to see what we're doing here. Right now we're just getting 1, right? And so here what we should be getting is 4, right? Let's see if they have the example here. 2001, we should be getting 4 digits. So the problem is we're not globally flagging it, right? We want it to collect them. So what does that mean? If we just get the match, we're getting 2, 0, 0, 1. And the reason that we're going to get 4 is because we want to count that. So we get the movie name, which is here, and we're matching globally all the numbers within it. And then this is providing us with this array. But we don't want this array as our result. We want 4 to be our result because we want to know the number of elements that are in this array. So to do that, we go length. And then we get 4. And I think that this will pass the tests. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next lesson.